Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with a Google Sheet automation update, and the update is about the activation of daily automation. Why I set it to daily is because instead of updating every week, and if there is any error, it won't work. Maybe if you find any error, so it's good to run this script every day, 7 p.m. and refresh the data. Still, if the data is already available and the results are available, which will let me show you. So the formulas are already working and the script is running and showing the data on these sheets as well. As you can see, these are the data responses. If I want to run it manually at any time, you can click on this manual update. It will clear the old results from all the sheets and then refresh the data with the new data, with the new responses. And the data will get updated in the formulas as well. And soon here you will see the responses as the final results. You can see the data is there. So if I run this manually, it's working fine. So you have to run this only one time. I don't want to run it through my account because otherwise the setup will be through my account. I want you to run it so that you will be the owner of the trigger. And yes, that is it. So that's it from my side. I am setting this to 18:30 instead of 7 p.m. because what happens normally, let me set the activate the code and show you. So this is the setup. Trigger just got set and it's setting to 6 to 7 p.m. So it means it will be running around 7 p.m. So I have set this to 6:30 so that once the data is updated in the sheet at 6 p.m. at 6:30 around or 7 p.m. before 7 p.m. the script will get updated and every day it will update. So if the data is already there, it will just refresh it. So you have nothing to do with that. So that is it from my side. I hope if there is anything still remaining or unclear, please do let me know so that I can update that. So thank you. Take care. Bye.